We pulled up to this completely empty taco truck in San Diego and this happened. And after eating our taco, we told them that we actually wanted to pay for everybody's tacos for the next hour.
Todos los tacos, para toda la gente que llegue por la próxima hora.
So we popped the trunk and busted out the free taco sign and promoted the business, and within minutes, people started to pull up to get some food, and it went from looking completely empty to looking like this. And while the food was cooking up and people were enjoying the delicious food, we also busted out a mystery box.
For every $5 that somebody tips, you get a ticket to enter this raffle for this mystery box.
Many people were skeptical, but shout out to everybody who tipped. So we shook up the numbers and we had a random person pick out the winner.
014.
Open it up.
Open it.
Go. And just like that, the complete hour went by.
Todos comieron.
Todos.
¿Quién falta?
The only thing left was to pay the tab.
745.20.
Aquí tienen 1000.
Oh my God.
Con todo.
Con todo y tip.
No se crean, no se crean. Todavía falta el tip. Les queremos dar propina de $1000 a ustedes y toda su familia por todo su trabajo. Muchísimas gracias.
Oh my
Y
God.
que Dios me los bendiga.
Vamos a orar, ¿no?